See, why should people vote for Congress? Congress is an ideology. Congress is a way of life. ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ 70 years ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. That is because of Congress. It's very easy to criticize Congress party. There is a perception, only 2014 everything happened. But for this to happen, the foundation was laid by the Congress party. So 2019, maybe some things went wrong. Maybe even going far, I could say our alliance with JDS didn't match the chemistry with the ground level party workers. Match agilla adu. And there were some instances which happened in the country at that point of time, just before the general elections. So combination of factors nalli 2019 nam results chanagirlilla, but that may definitely not happen in 2024. If you elect 28 Congress MPs, we will promise you that the Karnataka interest will be protected. And elect me to the Bangalore Central Lok Sabha parliamentary constituencies. We will make sure that all the sections of the society are taken care of, and we will raise the relevant questions in the parliament, and we will make sure that we have enough development in the constituency. If 28 Congress MPs are elected from Karnataka, you will know the difference, what an MP can do, how a weak MP affects the state, and what a strong and good intentioned MP can do for the state. And I promise you, if Congress MPs are in the parliament, you will see that Karnataka's interests are protected and we are not left in a lurch, because these 26 MPs have been silent and absent MPs. They have never ever, I challenge any one of them to come and debate what has their contribution been to the state of Karnataka. In 2019 parliament elections, Karnataka gave 25 BJP MPs, 1 independent MP, 1 JDS MP and 1 Congress MP. At present, BJP, JDS and independent MP are in NDA. What these 27 MPs have done in the interest of Karnataka in the last 5 years? Did you recall any of these MPs raise any concerns or issues for Kannadigas? At present, Karnataka is facing worst drought in the last 4 decades. We have not received enough rainfall for last 8 months. More than 200 taluks are severely affected, and Bangalore city is facing the worst ever water crisis. Karnataka gives rupees 100 as tax to centre. We receive only rupees 12 to 13 in return from the centre. To manage this drought, the state government has been requesting rupees 18,000 crores from central government since September 2023. We never ask for funds from central government. This is a crisis situation across the state, and it is our right to get assistance from the centre. Especially when we give so much tax to centre, we Congress elected members from Karnataka democratically protested under the leadership of CM Siddaramaiah, DCM DK Shivkumar in February at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. We invited all BJP, JDS MPs to participate in the process and put the demand of Kannadigas in front of the central government. Unfortunately, none of these BJP, JDS MPs and MLAs participated in the protest. I asked people of Karnataka what these MPs have done in the last 5 years. I can recall only 2 things. One MP opened up emergency door in flight, and another one was directly responsible for security breach in parliament. Now think why you are not getting funds despite so much request by state government, because these elected MPs are not raising their voices in support of Kannadigas in the parliament. Now in 2024, I would request people of Karnataka to give Congress all 28 seats, and I promise your concerns and issues will be addressed in parliament. At Bangalore Central, you have given chance to present BJP MP thrice. I request you to give me a chance this time. I promise I will represent your interest in parliament. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.